Dude, those birds are scary. These birds. There's like one up there, one there, and then one behind there. There's another big. Oh, watch this. Oh, they're gonna come in if you keep doing that. Don't, dude, they're gonna come in. Dude, stop. Wait. Watch out. They're gonna come in if you do that. Are you gonna go out there? Dude, they might sweep you.
Alright, they're just here for fun.
You're gonna go out there?
Yeah.
There's another one up there.
I'll go out with Miss when Miss licks stuff.
A lot of birdies. Dude, that's scary. They attack you. Can you get right up to it? Let's go slow.
I don't know.
This is scary.
Come at it.
Oh no. No, the dogs are out. Dude. Oh, watch out, its wings are up. Oh, because the dog got near it. Dude, no, that is scary. I want to get inside. Dude, that's creepy. It's especially that bird. Oh crap. Oh dude, let's stay out here. Come on, let's stay out. What are you doing? Dude, I did go wow. If you scared them. Oh.
Lucy.
Dude, this is scary. Where's Lucy? Oh crap. Lucy, where's Lucy?
She can come from the front door.
You want to try to scare these birds away?
Okay.
Leave. Lucy. Come on, Lucy. No. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6, huh? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Leave. Okay, that is creepy. Okay. See you, birds.